Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the batteries and any attached accessories so the controller is safe to open. Use a T8 or Torx security driver to remove the 5 screws. One is hidden under the label near the battery bay. Once done, pry the rear shell from the front, gently using a flat plastic tool to avoid markups. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray. You'll already see internal clips securing the grips. This first step gives you access and orientation for the next phase. You now focus on the internal clip tabs that hold the grips to the shell. Insert a plastic spudger between the grip seam and press each clip tab inward. Once you release one, move to the opposite side to keep tension even. Make sure to alternate sides as you work so the plastic doesn't warp. Once clips are released, lift the grip away with controlled leverage, watching for any ribbon cables or LED wiring. If resistance remains, stop and recheck for a missed screw or clip before forcing anything. You reassemble by aligning the grips and pressing the clips together until they snap into place. Then reinstall screws in a cross pattern to distribute pressure evenly. Once assembled, insert batteries and test all buttons, triggers, and analog sticks to confirm nothing shifted. If buttons feel stiff or you notice gaps, reopen and inspect clip alignment and screw lengths. Using a wrong screw can cause deformation. One key troubleshooting tip: if a grip won't seat, look for a trapped cable or debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.